we got through where we weren't supposed to go through. Doesn't matter. Maria's got ahead.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to turn the camera around and we've got to where we want to get to. Wow, very pretty. Okay, so that is nice. Wow.
There's a little space through the gate.
Yeah, we
Come
got
on.
through the gate where we found a little space to get through.
The little space into the gates was legal.
Only 2 columns are remaining out of this whole temple. I know the internal was closed.
Here's some pieces
Saw
of it.
a 3D image of it. Wow, look at that. That's part of the columns, hey?
Yeah.
Some of the columns that fell down.
108 meters.
108 meters.
Yeah.
Long.
Long and 41
Meters wide.
wide. Yeah.
Okay.
And it had 104 columns.
Yes.
104 columns.
6 on the front were the most important ones.
Is the front
biggest
this
one.
side?
Yeah, so this is going to be the front.
Obviously
Yeah.
facing the sea, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, and you can see the Castello Magnace from here.
And there was
At a
a big
distance.
statue of Zeus.
Really?
Yeah. Enormous one. Also, I read on Wikipedia
Yeah.
that the people that had the property over these terrains are the one that destroyed the
They destroyed the
No.
actual.
temple because they didn't want the temple. They wanted it to
They wanted the land instead.
the
You're
land.
joking.
That's very
Selfish.
selfish. Yeah.
They probably sell the parts.
Maybe.
Museums.
Yeah.
Probably sold a lot of
Parts of this.
artifacts.
What a waste. Perfect positioning, hey Damiano, with the
Yeah.
view of the sea from here. It's incredible. It was strategically built, and that is where the ships landed. The Greek ships
Yeah,
landed
because
to attack the Sicilians. Crazy, eh? So interesting.
Can we just go have a look at that fenced around path there? I want to see what's in
Yeah,
there.
sure. Let's get arrested. Come on. Highlight of the day.
I would love to go there.
A lot of dugouts,
Yeah. This
investigation.
is why probably they don't let us in.
These are obviously baths or something.
Don't know. Tombs even.
Tombs, baths.
Not sure.
A lot of them.
Mm-mm. This temple of Zeus is the second most ancient temple in Siracusa after the temple of Apollo. The Sicilian region has kept this ruin closed due to the lack of caretakers, which in our opinion is just totally crazy.
Yeah.
Now, we feel so insignificant next to these things, and it's crazy how they lifted these things up to build them. Big mystery. And they're still lasting. Some of our modern structures don't even last after 20 years. Crazy.
It's like kind of an analogy from this place and the Greek theater that we saw last time.
Yeah.
Of course, they loved the sea of the view. The
View of the sea.
Yeah. Hold it up, Mas.
To Zeus, I pray.
Last little sit on Zeus's temple. Jupiter's temple, whatever you want to call it.
No, what?
Yeah, I think we need to
Someone's
get out of here.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Come on. Oh dear.
Thank you, Zeus.
See you later, Zeus.
Okay. Yes. That was interesting, wasn't it?
This is the horse shit road.
Yeah.
Or the cow shit road.
Yes, quite a bit. The cows come here quite a bit. Che bella!
Chicken bar.
Chicken bar. Carino.
Salve, buongiorno. Buongiorno. Prego. Io un cornettino piccolino.
Just stopped off to
E
get a
caffè
bite to
macchiato.
eat. Facciamo due.
Nutella, uovo o marmellato?
Sì.
Damiano, what did you get?
Saccottino with ricotta and almonds.
An almond. Oh, very nice. Okay. This big one. It's like a huge donut.
That's a huge donut.
That's huge.
It's called donut. Ciambella.
Ciambella.
Ciambella fritta.
But it's huge. No thanks. Hello, Mr. Rooster. He's beautiful, eh? Oh. Massey's feeding the rooster. Mm. So Damiano and I have decided that our little trespassing was justified by...
By the fact that cows goes in and can see the temple, and
So what?
why
yeah.
shouldn't we?
Why should we? Exactly. It's not fair. I think we're allowed to go in because cows are allowed. So
Yeah, it's justified. It's the right
Definitely.
way to get in.
yes, and it makes us feel a whole lot better, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that's made on purpose. Like, if you want to see
Absolutely.
it, you have to work your way in.
Exactly. Thank you.
Grande, vai.
Il mio caffè macchiato, grazie.
Sì. Non c'è bisogno.
Grazie. Very nice.
Questo è cannella.
Grazie.
Zucchero ne vuole?
No, no, grazie.
Ok, a posto.
Cheers.
Very nice. Okay, we can see the temple of Zeus from here actually. So we've gone round the side of it. And now we want to go see some
It actually just goes to
papyrus.
show how high it is.
Yeah, it's really high. It's actually on a bit of a hill. Interesting.
And you have to cancel some videos.
This river is called Ciane, which comes from the Greek word chanos, which means dark blue. The particularity of this river, or reserve, is the rich flora, especially the papyrus. The reserve is the only site where papyrus grows spontaneously. The river leads a distance of 8 kilometers to the Porto Grande, or the marina of Siracusa. Can't pick, not allowed. But it's beautiful, hey?
Yeah.
But you know what? It's not as green as it was in winter, hey, Mas?
Because it's starting to get green now.
It's lovely, hey? Somebody
Actual
did a
paper.
plat here. Damiano.
So what happens? The paper is taken from here. This is all cut up. So it's sliced
Touch it, it's so strong.
and it gets pressed for 3 or 4 days. And that's how they make paper.
See this? See this?
How do you like my new hairstyle?
So Maria's got a papyrus plat.
I got a papyrus plant.
So what have you found?
Come have a look.
Yeah, this is the river. Wow,
Have a look over there. Look how
how
beautiful
pretty
it
is that? That's very pretty. Very, absolutely pretty.
And I found a species unknown. Well, we need to go there then.
Absolutely. It's on our bucket list, yeah?
Okay. Look at all those palms that they've...
Yeah, that's because of the
Planted.
agritourism.
Yeah.
The hotel, Bordeaux.
Agriturismo, yeah. Not sure how far the walk is. In fact, I've got to go to work. Massey's got to go to work. We haven't had lunch, so we're just going to come to the end of this bridge and come back another day and go for a nice walk all the way to the sea. Stopped off to have a bite to eat in the middle of Siracusa.
Islam op Juzi.
Good morning. It's a bit of a weird day today. The weather's a bit strange. Massey's just taken Damiano out to buy him a pair of trainers. He is leaving, unfortunately, on Saturday. He's been here for a month. It's been lovely having him here. So we're going to try and fit in as much as we can this week.
Okay, maybe now it's better.
Okay, he's quite concentrated on the driving, which is good. He hasn't driven a lot, but this is okay. Well done, Damiano.
What?
Well done.
Thank you.
Hey, there's Damiano driving the car. The car is still all in one piece. Hallelujah. Excuse me, sir, how was your drive?
A bit, how do you say? I don't know. I was too much
Nervous?
nervous.
Okay. But it's good practice, yeah?
Yeah.
We are in the jungle gym. No, this is... The kids will love this when they see this. They haven't seen it yet. So it's completely covered with this green covering. As I said, just to keep the chickens and the cats out to start off with. And then as soon as the plants are strong enough and we've got the chickens closed somewhere else, we will take this green covering away. So Massey's starting to work the land, the soil, land.
Just moving it all up, yeah.
Yeah, he's moving it all up. Yay, Massey's working for the circus. Look here, okay? Or near.
Yeah, you can put two. You can put one there and one there. What I've done, I've put the sticks between. I'm going to put some crossbars so that when they start growing, you're going to start climbing. So they'll climb up these sticks here, and then eventually we'll attach them to the sides. So it'll grow up and up and up and up and up and up all along here.
Okay, we're going to start planting this lettuce. See all these little bits here, just try and take them out. Okay, let's start off with this corn, which is going to get, I think, quite tall. I'll leave that there for you, Mas. Now for the peas. I'm just in time because it started to rain. Okay, there we go. We've still got a bit of space here on the right, so we might just double up with the lettuces here, or maybe some another type of lettuce. Been a muddy, miserable day today, but we've had to do it. This is the corn, and Massey's finishing off the peas.
Is to relax more.
Is a bit nervous, eh?
Yeah, too much.
And it's a much.
Damiano's having a little snack.
A little. Yeah, no, it's quite a little. It's not
What
so.
is it? Granita?
Granita with pistachio and
Cream.
how do
Cream.
cream?
Whipped cream, very nice.
Yeah.
I'm just having a granita with almonds. Beautiful sea of almond. Very nice. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very nice. We just came today with Damiano. Last little outing with Damiano before he goes back to Rome.
Yeah.
We had some granita.
Yeah. First granita on this trip in Sicily.
Exactly. Important. Very important. We decided to pick some fresh fennel leaves, which we found on Avolantica, and took it home, gave it a bit of a boil for about 10 minutes in salted water. I then liquidized it, and then I added some capers, fresh capers, some anchovies, fried it all in with the onion, chopped some almonds up, which I had from last year from our tree. I then mixed the pesto that I'd made with the fresh fennel leaves and just tossed it all up, added some Parmesan cheese, a bit of breadcrumbs, and there you go. And that's it for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye bye.